Hello, fifth grade. I hope you are enjoying your last week before school begins. My name, if you don't already know me, is Mr. Zortea, and I'm so excited to meet all of you or meet you again when you come next Tuesday. As you may know, I will be everybody's math teacher. So if you're taking math in fifth grade, which you all are, you'll be having me. So in this video, I would like to explain your first homework assignment. Now, this is not mandatory. Not mandatory. Just if you're looking to do something to get ready for the year, and it's an interesting challenge to kind of keep your brain involved. So this is the paper cup challenge. So you're going to take a piece of paper, regular piece of paper, nothing fancy about it, doesn't have to have holes in it, and your goal is to fold up this piece of paper so that it holds water in it for 1 minute. Now, can you use tape? Absolutely not. That would be easy. Can you use glue? No. Staples? No. The only thing you may do is fold up this paper in some kind of way so that when you fill it with water, it's going to hold that water for 60 seconds. Now, what you can do here is give this a couple tries. If you try it the first time, it turns out your design didn't work at all, give it another go. Try 2 or 3 times. Because as we know, it's not about getting it right the first time, it's about persevering and figuring out what worked and what you can make better. Now, also attached to this email, there is a Google form where there's just 2 questions. I just want you to reflect on what you found challenging and what you would do differently next time to make a better product. If you don't fill this form out, that's okay. The main thing I want you to have is just the experience, and it will give us something to talk about on Tuesday, and you might be able to try again on Tuesday. So once again, 1 piece of paper at a time. You can try multiple times. Fold it up so that it holds some water. I really look forward to meeting all of you. Please email me with any questions. This is not mandatory, just something to try. Good luck holding that water.